Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Celsius espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work, which means we had to replace the brew unit. So I'm going to use it right here. This is the older one, as it was having problems brewing coffee. We also had to deep clean everything inside of the machine and replace the valve that is located right underneath the brew unit. This one right here. That one right there is the one that we replaced. Replace all the gaskets. We did clean everything inside. We descaled this machine and we give it a good tune now. That's what we did on this. So starting with one shot, with one espresso, with one cappuccino, we're gonna be testing everything. The carafe, the spouts, and everything. Then we're gonna be using the steamer and the hot water on that side. Now this is our carafe, so this is not the machine's carafe. The machine needs to heat up that thermal block in order to produce steam. So we're currently waiting for that gauge to fill up. Once it does it, the thermal block will get up to temperature and it will add a little water pump that is located on this side to push water to the thermal block into the hoses that are located right here. There's a bunch of EV valves that are going to open up and close. As they're opening, that steam is entering this channel over here in the carafe, which is siphoning the milk coming out from here all the way into this spout right here, as you see right now. This will auto froth the milk. As you can see, it's coming out of here nice and steady. Excellent color and texture coming out of the carafe. It will automatically stop and burst, as you can see right there. Now the brew unit is basically squishing the coffee like this. This one is not working, so like that, and then it will push the coffee through this hose to eventually get into the spout. You can kind of see it all the way filling up the cup. This will be foam. This will be coffee. Nice and steady, working perfectly, working great. Hot water, as you can see, is nice and clean coming out of the one. Even after we just did milk, nice and steady, looking great. Now we're gonna be doing steam. Instead of the steam going through this side of the carafe, it's going to open up other valves that go into this side. So we're gonna see steam coming out through here instead of here. Again, the thermal block needs to get up to temperature. You can see right there. Nice steam coming out through the one. Excellent pressure, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Saeco Celsius working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit that bell.